Electric versus gas pressure washer. While both do pretty much the same thing, they look and function in different ways, not to mention the fact that price makes a difference as well. So, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Power ratings. When it comes to pure pressure, electric units have an upper limit of about 2000 psi. This is because you can only get so much out of a 15 amp electric motor. Usually, the numbers are in the ballpark of 1500 to 1800 psi, but that's pretty much it. Despite the power delivery, there are several types of motors electric pressure washers have. For instance, you can get induction motors which are water-cooled because they circulate it around the engine before releasing it through the hose. Also, some feature axial cam design pumps, while the more expensive and heavy-duty models have triplex plunger pumps. Number 2. Water flow ratings. Once again, gas-powered pressure washers have the upper hand here. Electric pressure washers generally deliver around 1.4 to 1.5 GPM, and you would be hard-pressed to find a model which delivers more than that. I was a bit puzzled by this since it is possible to get more out of electric pressure washers. I suspect it's because more GPM would require the use of more expensive materials, and that would drive the price up. Gas-powered pressure washers deliver more than 1.5 GPM, although there are some units that deliver the same. However, in most cases gas pressure washers churn out about 2.5 GPM or more. Number 3. Practicality. First of all, if you want a power washer for indoor use, electric is the way to go because gas produces potentially harmful fumes. However, most people buy a washer for outdoor use, and there is no clear winner in this category. Electric pressure washers have the edge when it comes to dimensions, weight, maintenance, and ease of use. They are small, light, and a breeze to use. The only limiting factor when it comes to their portability is the fact they have to be hooked up to a source of electricity. Electric pressure washers are also clear winners when it comes to indoor use, since they don't produce any harmful fumes. They're also much quieter. On the other hand, gas-powered pressure washers are more durable, so you don't have to worry about replacing stuff like brass quick-connect couplers. Number 4. Diesel/kerosene/electric pressure washer. These pressure washers use diesel or kerosene to heat up water and electricity to power the unit itself. They are mostly used by professionals as they have the ability to clean surfaces using steam. Technically, electricity could be used to heat up water, but it would take a long time and would be very inefficient, hence the hybrid design. Obviously, I can't tell you which one is better because it's not that simple. Electric pressure washers have the upper hand when it comes to low price, compact. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.